We're asked to write the exponential equation based upon the given information. Remember, an exponential equation is in the form of y equals a times b raised to the power of x, where if we have exponential growth, the base b is equal to 1 plus r. If we have exponential decay, the base b is equal to 1 minus r, where r is the percent growth or percent decay as a decimal. So notice in the first two rows, we have exponential growth, which means the equation is going to be in the form of y equals a times the quantity 1 plus r raised to the power of x. In the first row, the initial value is 441, which means a is equal to 441. The growth rate is 26%, which means r is equal to 26%, which must be expressed as a decimal. 26% is equal to 0.26, which means the equation is y equals 441 times the quantity 1 plus 0.26 raised to the power of x, which gives us y equals 441 times 1.26 raised to the power of x. In the second row, the initial value is 215, which means a is equal to 215. We have an exponential growth rate of 9%, which means r is equal to 9%, which as a decimal is 0.09. Again, we have exponential growth, so this is the form of the exponential equation, which gives us y equals 215 times 1 plus 0.09 raised to the power of x. Simplifying, we have y equals 215 times 1.09 raised to the power of x. Notice in the next two rows we have exponential decay, which means the exponential equation is going to be in the form of y equals a times the quantity 1 minus r raised to the power of x. So for exponential decay, the base is 1 minus r. So in the third row, the initial value is 92, a is equal to 92. The decay rate is 3%, so r is equal to 3%, which as a decimal is 0.03. And again, we have exponential decay, and therefore the equation is y equals 92 times the quantity 1 minus r, which is 1 minus 0.03 raised to the power of x. Simplifying, 1 minus 0.03 is 0.97, giving us y equals 92 times 0.97 raised to the power of x. In the last row, again, we have exponential decay. So we know the equation will be in this form here. The initial value is 444, which means a is equal to 444. The decay rate is 50%, so r is 50%, which is decimal is 0.50, or just 0.5, which means the equation is y equals 444 times the quantity 1 minus 0.5 raised to the power of x. And simplifying, we have y equals 444 times 0.5 raised to the power of x. I hope you found this helpful.